So I grew up in Albuquerque, New Mexico, very beautiful part of the Southwest.
I grew up in India, and I did my undergraduate in materials or metallurgical engineering at the Indian Institute of Technology in Madras.
I did my undergraduate at MIT in physics.
I ended up at the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. I got a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Then I left for a while.
And then I came to the US and did a master's and a PhD, both in material science.
And graduate work at Yale University in artificial intelligence, computer science.
And then right after I graduated from Lehigh, I came straight to IBM.
But along the way, I was fortunate enough to intern here in California, and I realized that California was definitely a place I could see myself living.
So in IBM, primarily my work has been in the area of semiconductor technology.
A lot of the work that I do is studying how people fundamentally interact with computers and how they also behave in social settings using computers.
For the last 6 years, I've headed up a new area called service research.
What's made this research in Almaden so interesting very recently is the fact that we find that over the last couple of decades, all the nanotechnology skills that we have been developing and are really good at it, we find that these skills can now be employed in thinking about some bigger social problems for the planet.
We haven't created the right kind of people to live in the future.
And the problems are really hard, and the problem space is very challenging, but we as a company are going to solve that because we are built on amazing people.
But a lot of the things that we do have multiple applications, and I'm constantly challenging the folks to think about where else can you use what you know today.
The age of us sitting by ourselves in our offices is beginning to pass.
My name is Spike Narayan, and I am an IBMer.
My name is Jim Sporer, and I'm an IBMer.
I'm Julia Grace, and I'm an IBMer.